In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Todoist. Being able to see what you've already finished is really helpful for tracking your progress, double checking that something was actually done, or simply giving yourself a bit of motivation by seeing how much you've accomplished. Todoist makes this quite straightforward, and in this video I'll walk you through exactly how to access your completed tasks and what you can do with that view. First, open Todoist on your device. This can be on the web, on your desktop app, or on your phone or tablet. The interface might look slightly different depending on where you're using it, but the basic idea is the same everywhere. Once Todoist is open, look for the option that lets you see completed tasks. In most layouts, you'll find a completed section or a View Completed Tasks option. Often this appears near your task list or inside a specific projects menu. If you're inside a particular project, check the project's options or drop-down, and there should be an item related to completed tasks. Click on Completed to open that view. As soon as you do this, Todoist will switch from showing only your active, unfinished tasks to displaying a list of tasks you've already completed. You'll usually see them arranged by date, with the most recently completed tasks at the top. This is a great way to quickly confirm that something was done today or earlier in the week. Take a moment to scroll through this list. You can review what you've checked off, see when each task was completed, and if you're inside a project, you'll only see the task completed within that project. This can help you track your work on specific goals or categories. If you need to revisit the details of a completed task, simply click on it. In many cases, you'll be able to see comments, labels, due dates that were assigned, and other information you added before completing it. This is useful if you want to recall exactly what you did or reuse the same structure for a similar task. When you're done reviewing, you can return to your active tasks by closing the completed view or navigating back to your usual task list or project. From there, you can continue planning and completing new tasks, knowing that you can always come back to the completed section whenever you need to review